Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. I'm here at Seafarers Marina, and this is an inspection video for Privateer. I see that we have a 1-inch shaft zinc on the shaft, and I don't think there's any other zincs. But let's go ahead and check it out and get an inspection and an estimate for how long it will take to clean this one. Well, we got barnacles, we got 2 worms, but we also have oysters, and we got some slime here on the waterline. Because of the size of this thing and how much growth is everywhere, I'd say this would probably take about 2.5 hours. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.